Because of the training that is involved in that one, the requirements that all manpower that is being used in ISO process certification, kailangan certified sila. So there's a lot of training involved in that one. So we cannot give you a exact figure, but it is in millions.
In millions.
Definitely. So saan mo babawi yung gastos na yan? Siyempre, efficiency, yung losses mo, mabawasan, mga production loss, time loss, productivity loss. Marami kang losses pag wala kang systems eh. Because you're doing it without any line or any system. Pag may sistema ka, paulit-ulit mo ginagawa, the same procedure, the same process. Pag wala kang system, kanya-kanya. So, hindi mo alam gaano katagal ginugugol ng isang tao ang trabaho niya sa isang particular na trabaho. So, productivity loss yan. Efficiency mo pa. Hindi mo ma-quantify yan. Hindi mo ma-measure yan. But with the system, doon mo siya makikita na meron ka palang nawawalang oras. Nawawala kang outputs, nawawala kang... Hindi mo nakikita yun eh. Only the system will give you that point of view. So, gagastos ka para ma-certify ka, training mo yung tao mo. Yan, millions talagang gagastusin mo. Pero it's well worth an investment for any company that is aspiring for a certification. And it is already the trending now. Naibigyan na bang reason talaga bakit kailangan ka mag-ISO? Kasama ba ito sa tanong?
Hindi pa. Benefits
Hindi
lang. Yung
Benefits.
What is the reason? You don't have a why. Diba? Bakit nga ba tayo kailangan mag-ISO?
Bakit po?
Well, the name itself, no? ISO, International Standard, diba? Standards Organization. So, ibig sabihin yan, we're talking global here. When you say global, you can compete. You have the global market. You can compete with any company which is based outside, not only locally, but internationally. Without this certification, they will not entertain your products, whatever product it may be, services or products na items. They will not entertain you as long as you will show any form of ISO certification. Yan ang main reason yan, so that you can compete in a global market. Ang benefits, yun nga, you have a system. Marami kang makukuha ang benefits talaga dyan. Yung tao, ma-streamline mo. Maybe before you using 50 people in your organization or production line. Pag may sistema ka na, baka maging train pa na lang. So, saving ka na kagad. Yung millions mo, nababawi mo na. ROI mo, mabilis.
Sir, gano'n po katagal yung preparation for the certificate?
That depends. Depende yan sa laki ng organization mo. If you're an SME, katulad namin, small medium enterprise, is quite different from the corporate na malakihan. Preparation yan, of course, it will start first with the assessment. I-assess ano bang sitwasyon nyo ngayon, current situation. So, yung ano natin nun, that's 3 years sa amin. Kasi, depende nga dun sa sistema yung...
Tapos yearly may surveillance.
Ang ano kasi niyan, kung how long, siguro sabihin na natin minimum of 1 year. Pag medyo systematic na kayo, depende kasi yan ha. Pero pag magulo kayo sa umpisa pa lang, yun, siguro mga 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Kasi ang babaguhin mo is, idodocument mo lahat ng ginagawa mo, idodocument mo lahat kung anong ini-improve mo, idodokumento mo lahat kung paano mo gagawin, lahat ng galaw mo nakadokumento. You're doing it in a proper way. Bakit? That is for continuous improvement. You should know saan ka nagkakamali. Walang perfect yan ha. Baka ang ano nyo pag-ISO, perfecto na kayo. Hindi sa continuous improvement. That's why you have the system. Parang check and balance. Ngayon ginawa mo, nagresulta ng mali. Pero dahil dokumentado siya, pwede mo siyang balikan. Nakita mo kung saan ka nagkamali. Meron ka ngayon corrective para ayusin yung mali na yun. Tapos meron ka naman preventive para naman hindi na maulit yung nangyari na gano'n. So you are continuously improving. At dahil nga may sistema ka na para malaman kung saan ka nagkamali, mababago mo siya. E kung dati wala kang sistema, may mali, tatapon na sa ilalim ng lamesa, wala mangyayari sa sino. Ha? Si Urbano? Okay lang. Sino yan? Urbano? Si Urbano yan. Okay lang. So anything more guys?
Wala na po. Okay na po,
Wala
sir.
na?
Thank you po.
So, much better you also research on the internet. It will give you some view with regards to
IS.
IS. Internet will always help you. Okay? You use that because it will give you some insights more deeply. Huwag lang yung meaning. Magano kayo may mga example pa yun doon.